In the NEET, chemistry and physics, they give problems which are quite important for you to gain full marks. And only when you get full marks, you have better chance to get into government medical college in your vicinity. If you enter a government medical college in your vicinity, you can daily go home or occasionally go home, you have fun, you will still continue with your same friends and family. So please concentrate on solving the problems. Here we are taking you step-wise steps by giving you problems, then giving live solutions of how to solve the problems. Okay. Moving on to sixth episode in chemistry, the ionic equilibrium. Let's move on to the first problem. The conjugate base of H2PO4 minus is option A, PO4 to the power of 3 minus, option B, P2O5, option C, H3PO4, option D, PO4 to the power of minus. Okay. So let's move on to the second question. Ionic equilibrium, NEET chemistry. The solution of AgCl with solubility product is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 10 in 0.1 m NaCl solution would be A 1.26 into 10 to the power of minus 5 m, B 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 9, C 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 11 m, option D 0. Moving on to the third question, ionic equilibrium. If pH of a standard solution of BaOH2 is 12, the value of Ksp is option A 4.0 into 10 to the power of minus 6, option B 4.0 into 10 to the power of minus 7, option C 5.0 into 10 to the power of minus 7, option D 5.0 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Fourth question. In a buffer solution containing equal concentration of B minus and Hb, the Kb for B minus is 10 minus 10. The pH of the buffer solution is option A 10, option B 7, option C 4, option D 6. Ionic equilibrium, question number 5. The solubility product of Ag2 CrO4 is 32 into 10 to the power of minus 12. What is the concentration of CrO4 minus ion in that solution? Option A 2 into 10 to the power of 4 m, option B 16 into 10 to the power of 4 m, option C 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 m, option D 8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 m. Sixth question. Solubility product of BaCl2 is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Its solubility would be option A 1 into 10 to the power of minus 27, option B 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3, option C 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7, option D 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Ionic equilibrium, the last question. The concentration of hydroxide ion in a water sample is found to be 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 m. Identify the nature of the solution. Option A acidic, option B basic, option C neutral, option D amphoteric. So these are 7 questions. The solution will be given live. You can follow it step-wise steps. And maybe you can ask questions if you follow the live ones. The recorded one will be published same day before night. Please revise problem solving. This video is made for people who want to be successful. If you want to get more than 650 marks, you should follow this video. Please share this to discuss with your friends and make sure you enter into government medical college in your area, which is going to be the best place for you for the next 5.5 years. You can become a doctor.